on the issue of RUPA, we share your constitution, Article 45 of the Constitution.
Article 45
of the Constitution. My Electoral Commission, fine. Say, we be register, I expand the electoral rule. No, fine, sir. Article 45, I think Article 45. D or something.
The Article 45 talks about the establishment and everything that has to do with the Electoral
register.
Commissioner.
Yes, the register.
Okay. I think the
45. I think it's E. To undertake programs for the expansion of the registration of voters and to perform other functions.
Okay.
And the duty say we expanded the electoral rule.
Lawyer Kwaba now want to say. Bibi Aboko.
Constitutionally, Electoral Commission, Pine, say we expand the electoral rule. Amagana need the Akwaba. In fact, the moment a Nipano, 18 years, above Ghanaian, sound mind, a electoral commissioner said, "Dear, says I Nipano register no Manatuaba." Oh, here's our issue of Ruparia, and yeah, none started you. President Kofo time no, and as I'm right to do Tano no the buy. Baby, see the intimate implementing, and yet deliberate. Ye nearma, ye boy, and soon ya can't continue my and yes, I do. O mine is I share your last registration I with a Ghana card no. So Osha Ube Hune say a Nipani Biantima register simply because of Muni Ghana card. And anu ya Omushe Mresa ombe I mean the activity amount for SIM cards. Who amount for the activity on SIM cards. And yes, a big person will register Ghana card now what you call register and will need it. Even to the extent say Omumpa or mobile marriage and if we are deactivate to Omodia. To the extent the Speaker of Parliament, they are deactivating the official card, the same card that would the This is how our system is like. Enti yen pa e Ghana na yentimi nya cast to the extent say no cast e obianfa Ghana card dey me register kora obetimi aye. Yen hwe say yen na Ghana ha nyina etimi aye o. Ye see e ko register brochure for. Na the president mama can say any problem say we so be register brochure for. Na ma obi a woni Ghana ha bia or country bia register no.
But how is that possible?
If it's not possible, then why are you doing it? Why the show?
But definitely you start election, you do piloting from somewhere.
We don't pilot general elections. We don't pilot general elections. So if you say
countries or my Europano, so they did not do wholesome the whole nation. They started from certain quarters.
Oh, Omahine, the Ayana ye oh Ghana, sorry, one yabotra, some of the canon, and Yasama canon from them. We need the high end. I don't know what our problem is. Say what Ghana ha? Ubet my reasonable UK, US. Nemo Cote d'Ivoire there now on the winter register will be all.
Cote d'Ivoire,
Togo, Benin winter register will be all.
Burkina Faso.
What are we talking about?
Now I won't call their registration.
The Electoral Commission should be very, very careful. Sir, antics no more playing over the period. You see, Ghana sometimes we are too tolerant. Our tolerance level is nauseating. Huh? They can say, so say do say Ghana ni bi o we say ba bia to abadia ye ma obia nto bi be critic station mo ba bia wo be ko Burkina Faso ko register o Ghana for mo Burkina Faso wo be ko Togo wo be ko Ivory Coast no ko UK no ko mai bia o Ghana ha ko register o other than that forget about it. You see, Electoral Commission adwuma na wo ye no we agree. You are independent. You are independent. But you won't operate without laws. Election I here with stakeholders. And Tiwahu, Aban we, I and I been say, institution be a papa be organ have your best say no.
Really?
Inti won't say it was a me I make casa hamitia make a say. And I mean your lawyer what ya will say. It's in an appointed as one Electoral Commission. Does it make sense to you? I say we are not thinking.
Say a far lawyer, MPP Nino, so
where what are you? Papa, you minute here, the BI. They say, Dr. Apia Hini. No, for some question Electoral Commission. And I'm happy, say, Obi disaster no court. Honorable Dr. disaster no court. Say, Asu, a sefata, send me Haruna Metia, make a Sama NDC. I cannot be better. President John Demand Mama say, well, appointing me. Send me one of the commission of the Electoral Commission. Our bra constitutional stated clearly. Say Electoral Commission the performance of its duties must not be interfered by any organ, either the executive, the legislature, or any person. Na say to me sorry. Ekofa obia watina radio sisi kasama political party. Will join the other branch of political party. Other trainings, the IT session, other political parties, and Electoral Commissioner, they should come out with the ruling. And whatever ruling they come out with will be law. When the Supreme Court makes a pronouncement, it is law. If it's not reviewed, if it's not challenged, for the Supreme Court to review its own decision, it becomes law. For posterity to judge all of us. Today, can I say, Electoral Commission won't treat it very cautiously. Me so ma test person wo Ghana, ma test Ghana person ache. And today ka simply ni say, so we say ube register Ghana for omuni Ghana ha ma to abadia. And they register Ghana ni bia wo wiase ha babia. Untimi nyesa, forget it.
Don't try it.
Don't try it. Because it doesn't make sense. And our elections Lucy elections are maneuvering. The same thing on year 2020. Yeah, quite elections. To COVID. Me say COVID we want a man for be to papa.
A man for be to COVID.
COVID no I use you as a conduit to conduct elections near the soldiers a could vote again. Say a man for the COVID be baby bram. Near ya see border it's no. Ye mobile me register. That thing. Until I make us we should be very careful. Until Obika, Dr. Kennedy Wahon. Was it we are witnessing the death of the Fourth Republic? Was it Fourth Republic? No. A couldn't boom. Now, by way, President Akufo-Addo didn't pay for Mukum the Fourth Republic. Because they are so lawless. You remember Hina Semnoso? Near here say, President, I was the moral authority.
Moral authority
said to tell the regiment to go and tell the chief to get up.
Need that moral turpitude
to
say that.
They do a match that he doesn't have the moral turpitude to even do that.
But is it also a good thing for a chief to sit down when a national anthem is being played?
Did you know what was wrong with the chief? Did we find out what was wrong with the chief?
We'll get to that.
And so for me,
now
we are not saying that. So bitte Ghana hababia disenfranchise the person. No. Nemum. Yeah, moving to aba. And move be there as I want. Any guy.
Okay.
So when idea register will be Honorable.